A watched pot may never boil, but an electric kettle certainly does. If you're looking for a way to boil water fast, then it's time to make the change from a stovetop kettle to an electric kettle. There are many products available to choose best electric kettle, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zwilling Enfinigy Cool Touch Kettle. I like this kettle about as much as I dislike its name Enfinigy, which is to say a whole lot. Branding misfire aside, the Zwilling kettle totally rocks. This model may not have as many bells and whistles as some of the others on our list, but for me, it's a perfect size with a sturdy build and simple, eye-pleasing design. It also has a cool touch exterior, so the outside stays cool even as the liquid boils inside. Speaking of which, the Zwilling kettle was right on par with some of the fastest boilers in the bunch. It's not the cheapest kettle we tried by any means, but $80 is a fair price considering the quality and the added assurance that comes with a top kitchen brand like Zwilling. So with that, the Enfinigy gets the top slot overall in our tea kettle smackdown. Number 2. Mueller Premium Electric Kettle. Many electric kettles are reasonably priced, but the Mueller Premium Electric Kettle offers especially great bang for your buck. The item will bring your water to a boil just as well as the next kettle for an even more affordable price. The sleek glass design will look eye-catching in any kitchen, and there's even a blue light that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, as it lets you know the item is in use. It's equipped with an automatic shut-off feature to make it even safer, and many customers say it boils quickly. At 1.8 liters, the size of this kettle is right in line with the majority of other options on the market. Number 3. Cuisinart PerfecTemp Cordless Electric Kettle. Americans might not be as enamored with tea kettles as our friends across the pond, but they're certainly handy to have. This elegant stainless steel electric kettle holds 1.7 liters and has 6 preset heat settings for steeping different types of tea at the proper temperature, even if you can't remember which tea needs which temperature. A blue LED indicates when the water is ready, and the 30-minute keep warm feature holds the temperature in case you're not quite ready to brew. The kettle can be removed from the base for up to 2 minutes, so you can pour water and return it to the base to continue keeping warm. After 2 minutes, the base shuts off automatically. The water window is backlit with an attractive blue light, so it's easy to see how much water is in the kettle. Boil dry protection turns the kettle off if it runs dry. Number 4. OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. If you have a bit more to spend and are concerned with both form and function, the OXO Cordless Glass Electric Kettle might just be the choice for you. It's a sure fit for any modern kitchen. The heating base allows the carafe itself to be cord-free, and the soft open lid prevents too much steam from escaping or hot water from splashing, making it easier to pour. The kettle holds 1.75 liters of water and has easy-to-read measurement markings on the glass carafe. If you have hard water, you might have to occasionally clean it with vinegar or a desaling solution to prevent mineral buildup. But that's good advice for all of the electric kettles featured here. Number 5. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Pour-Over Kettle. The Fellow Stagg EKG is not only one of the best gooseneck kettles on the market, but one of the best kettles, period. With the turn of a dial, it can be programmed to heat up anywhere from 135 to 212 degrees, and there's a setting to maintain water temperature for up to 1 hour. This offers the flexibility to heat water for specific types of tea, hotter for black and herbal teas, cooler for green and white teas. The item's design stands out compared to other electric kettles thanks to its tapered body, sleek matte colorways, and elegant gooseneck spout. Customers add that the spout provides a precise and even pour, ideal for those with a French press, Chemex, or other non-electric coffee maker.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.